We still have time, man.
Yeah, right. We got, man, our game is until
11.
11 o'clock. Yeah, we got like 3-4 hours, man. 8, 9, 10, 11. 3 hours and 23 minutes. Be careful. Is that glass?
Plastic.
Yeah. Then they walk by us. You look back, you don't even know how far back we are.
We're very high in the air, man.
Huh?
We're very high up in the air,
Yeah,
man.
he's very high. Needs to be brought down some, man.
No, I'm saying the bridge is very high.
Oh, him. I was talking about him. He's very high up in there. Look, man, calm down, dude. It's not that. It's serious, but you messing it up for, like, the peace of mind, man. If everything's going good, man, you keep on pushing and yelling and going off. For what reason, dude? The Chinese listen one time. That's the water. I saw water yesterday. I think it was the other side.
Yeah, it'll be hot today, man.
I might just wear my socks.
Yeah, man.
And the bridge. I mean, I'm not here to take a bunch of pictures, but it don't hurt to take any, you know what I mean? I don't have time, like, be yelled at, tell me, you know what I mean? I'm a grown man too, bro. I understand you pay for almost everything. I pay for the tournament by myself. Pay for most of the bus trip up here too, by myself. I'm gonna pay you back everything you pay, no problem. But they don't give you the right to try and like tell me like I don't. Let me get that.
It's a beautiful shot right there.
Yeah, that's nice. You know, taking several pictures. Nuh-uh, 1899 is one unit from 1900.
No, that's 11 plus 74. So he was 85, man.
Wait,
80,
90, no, 80.
85.
85.
85, man.
I don't know why. I heard numbers. You was talking about numbers. I said, I don't know what. But anyway, 75. Wait, no, 99. Yeah, 75.
It was 85.
Yeah, you know, that's a good point. For the bridge, and then I took pictures of me to have the information for it. And that's a good idea.